You!
Students of Biology and Medical Technology Society.
Now making you!
You to experience all the great activities IOS has to offer.
Now making you!
You preserve friendly association and strong information dissemination.
Now making you!
You seek for equity and unified society through visible projects, events, and programs.
Now making you!
You, our priority. We're pro-student, pro-people, and academical excellence biometric society.
Ibibigay mismo ang nararapat para sa inyo.
Ibibigay namin ang serbisyo para sa inyo.
Ipaglalaban namin ang karapatan ng bawat isa sa inyo. Ibabalik namin ang tunay na misyon ng Biometric Society.
Biology and Medical Technology students!
You deserve more. More than broken promises and fictitious projects. You deserve change.
Maximize projects, maximize programs. Yan ang trabaho, Maxine! Maxine Kadatan!
Now, making you.
Our attention!
For confident representation, for faster and more reliable information dissemination, and voicing out your concern is our executive board. I am Maxine Cadato, your second-year MedTech representative. As your representative, I am ready and willing to represent, to voice out, and to maximize our involvement to the Biometric Society. Dahil sa akin, mas makakasiguradong bawat impormasyon inyong malalaman sa tamang oras nang walang labis o kulang. Sa akin, muling organisado, pangangailangan nyo. Sa amin, muling ibabalik kung anong nararapat sa inyo. Dahil sa akin,
Max!
responsable,
Max!
epektibo,
Max!
may ibubuga para sa Max Progresibong Biometric Society. Once again, I am Maxine Cadato, your second-year MedTech representative. Siya na nga
Ang lagi niyong tatandaan, mga ninyo handang ipaglaban, Barontan!
Now making you
Our concern!
to foster better relationships between biology and medical technology students. I am Baron Tan, your Biometric Society Surgeon at Arms. Bago man sa paningin na hindi bago sa serbisyo at paglilingkod. My fellow biometric students, we live together in one society. Take in mind that differences should never be a barrier for our growth. I believe that we can coexist together in mutual harmony. And I believe that we can become a stronger and more united society. Bilang inyong Surgeon at Arms, papanatilihin ko ang katahimikan at kaayusan ng ating society. Tinitiyak ko na mga hinaing nyo'y mabibigyan ng aksyon at tamang solusyon. Ito ang trabahong aking gagampanan. Kaya laging tatandaan.
Kailan?
Mga hinaing nyo'y aking ipaglalaban. Once again, I am Baron Tan, your Biometric Society Surgeon at Arms. Basta kay Racines.
Service Sciences! JD Racines!
Now making you.
Our focus!
Kulang man ako sa height, sisiguraduhin ko naman tayo ay laging tayo. As your public relations officer, I will ensure you, and you will be informed in every possible way. Sisiguraduhin kong ako yung magiging tulay at magbibigay patnubay. Mga impormasyon sa inyo ay gagabay. Kaya naman po, tulungan niyo kami ibalik ang tunay na serbisyo para sa inyo. Dahil dito sa Ayos sa Masa, hindi lang puro forma, siguradong may ibubuga. I will continue what she has started because for progress and success. Get connected, get informed for one more time. I am Jamie Nasines. Jamie Nasines, your Biometric Society Public Relations Officer. Diyan tayo sa responsable.
Diyan tayo sa epektibo! Diyan tayo sa purong serbisyo! John Leonard Castillo!
Now making you
Our connection!
in building linkages and camaraderie among students, retailing on-time merchandise, giving you unlimited service close to perfection. Panahon na ng pagbabago, panahon na ng epektibo at agarang serbisyo. I am John Leonard Castillo, your Biometric Society Business Manager. As your business manager, I am delighted to take bigger and brighter actions for you, biometric students. I will be consistent in promoting entrepreneurial and managerial ideas so that our merchandise will run smooth and efficient. I, together with the ICE biometric team, will never fail in giving you 101% service. Responsible,
Ayos!
effective,
Ayos!
dignified,
Ayos!
Mulit muli, ako si John Leonard Castillo, your Biometric Society Business Manager. Wala nang iba pa.
May bubuga, Jason O'Hara.
Now, making you
Our investors.
who have the rights for accountable, transparent, and permittable financial summaries. Kay Jason O'Hara, walang ko kontra. Serbisyo ko, hindi bara-bara. I am Jason D. O'Hara, a consistent block mayor, incoming second-year medical technology student and academic scholar. And now, your Biometric Society treasurer. Bilang inyong ingat yaman, sisiguraduhin ko kung bawat sentimong ginagastos nyo ay iingatan ko. Selyado!
Sigurado!
Bawat resibo, itatago ko, protektado.
Sigurado!
Bawat financial statement ko, detalyado. Yan ang sigurado dahil ang serbisyo ko, todo-todo, garantisado. Mulit-muli, ako si Jason O'Hara. Jason O'Hara. Huwag nang maghanap pa ng iba. May ibubuga. Jason O'Hara, your Biometric Society treasurer. Sa kanya,
Siguradong walang edit-edit. Meredith De Castro.
Now, making you!
Our goal!
For providing students with activities which will highly promote student advancement and involvement in the society. Good afternoon, biomedic students! I am Meredith De Castro, your Biomedic Society Secretary. As your secretary, we will make sure that I will make sure that our every project is well documented. Sisiguraduhin ko ang aking magagampanan ng aking papel, which is to give you accurate reports and needs that you can always count on.
Walang edit-edit. Di pwedeng tetik-tetik.
Kailangan nyo ng sekretaryang tapat at maaasahan. Huwag makontento sa trabaho sakto lamang. I, together with my colleagues, will not just work. We will bring the society to a greater height. Once again, I am Meredith De Castro. Meredith po! Walang edit-edit. Your Biometric Society Secretary.
L for leading, I for inspiring, M for motivating. Yan ang serbisyo, Charlton Lim.
now, making you.
Our beneficiaries.
Good afternoon, medical technology students. I am Charlton Lim, the incumbent IS Student Council Business Manager, now ready to be your Biometric Society Vice President. As your Vice President, I will make sure of fair and equal service for both biology and medical technology students. Plakadong serbisyo ay atin ni Charlton Lim sa inyo. Passion and determination are two qualities that define credible and competent leadership. That best describes me and the IS party. We are committed to serve you to the fullest and give you projects and programs that best cater to your needs for both biology and medical technology majors. Moreover, we'll give you a proper representation and the opportunity to be heard and give you an avenue to air your grievances and address them through our programs. Mga kapwa biomedic, huwag na huwag pong kalilimutan, Charlton Lim.
Dahil kay Charlton Lim.
Limpak-limpak na proyektong inyong maasahan. Hindi kayo makalilimutan.
Dahil si Charlton Lim.
Ay tiyak na maasahan, your Biometric Society Vice President. Accountable,
Youth-oriented student servant. Yan ang presidente. Ang ating tunay na pagbabago. Jessa Mitra.
Now we're making you
Our mission.
to be the recipients and participants of outstanding projects, sensible platforms, and unfailing leadership. Sa paniniwala ko pong bawat estudyante ay may kailangang dapat tugunan. Kahit gaano kahirap, basta sama-sama, maaaksyonan. I have been a determined and passionate student leader for the past 2 years. A former IS Executive Committee, your incumbent Public Relations Officer, and now, your Biometric Society President. Sa isang taon ko pong panunungkulan bilang inyong PRO, napatunayan ko sa bawat estudyanteng aking natulungan. Kailanman, hindi ko kayo iniwan. And as your president, I will bravely fight and give back all your privileges as a student. First step is the transformation. Second, strengthening our foundation. We will ensure that everything will run smoothly and effectively so that you will be satisfied and be very happy. And lastly is the evolution to a greater level of service. Ang pagiging presidente po ay isang bagay na pinaghahandaan. Hindi laboratoryong pinag-e-eksperimentuhan. Kailangan nyo ng student leader na tapat, subok na, at maaasahan. Tama na po ang siraan. Tama na ang paliligan. ng mga salitang wala namang tunay na basihan. Alam nyo, alam natin, at alam nila ang katotohanan na simula pa lang, karapatan nyo lamang ang aking ipinaglaban. Katulad ng pagbabalik sa estudyante ng totoong piyukso, Biometric Society, muli, magsisimula tayo. Let's not settle for the better, let's settle for the best. Not for the wiser, but for the wisest. I am Jessa Mitra. I am now ready to be the strongest, boldest, and toughest Biology and Medical Technology Society President.
Putting you at the center of advancement.
Putting you at the center of actualization.
Putting you at the center of development. Putting you at the center of one and united Biometric Society.
Putting you at the center, putting you first. Now, making you.
Our attention.
Our concern.
Our focus.
Our connection.
Our goal.
Our mission.
Ito ang trabahong aming gagampanan. Kayo ang dapat naming paglingkuran.
Sa inyo, lahat ng oportunidad.
Ito ang serbisyong walang katulad. Gonna be an empowered
Me and you.
Darating ng March 2 to 12 this Friday. Diretso ng tayo sa NRH Building e-library extension para bumoto.
Isang araw para iboto na ang tama at itama na ang boto for a pro student.
Ayos!
Pro people.
Ayos!
Academical Excellent Biometric Society.
Ayos!
Mga kapwa ko estudyante, nasa inyong kamay at boto ang susi sa pagbabago tungo sa totoong progreso. Kaya naman sa darating na eleksyon, don't just exercise your right to vote.
Maximize it!
For a pro student.
Student-centered, service-committed Biometric Society.
Once again, I am Maxine Cadato.
Choose Maxine Cadato, check.
Your second-year Metric representative.
I am Baron Tan.
Choose Valentine, check.
Your Biometric Society Surgeon Authority.
I am Jamie Racines.
Choose Jamie Racines, check.
Your Biometric Society Public Relations Officer.
I am Leonard Castillo.
Choose Leonard Castillo, check.
Your Biometric Society Business Manager.
I am Jason O'Hara,
Choose Jason O'Hara, check.
your Biometric Society Treasurer.
I am Meredith De Castro.
Choose Meredith De Castro, check.
Your Biometric Society Secretary.
I am Charlton Lim,
Choose Charlton, check.
the incumbent IA Student Council Business Manager, and now your Biometric Society Vice President, Re-Electionist.
My president, your president, our president.
For the change we all want. I am Jessa Mitra, your incumbent Public Relations Officer, and now your Biometric Society President Re-Electionist.
Choose Jessa Mitra, isang malaking check.
Leading you to a brighter vision.
Leading you to service close to perfection.
Because more than mere words,
We do actions.
Kinatawag ng tungkulin.
Sama-samang sagutin.
Biometric student, sabayan niyo po kami.
Tagatan.
Tan.
Racines.
Castillo.
O'Hara,
De Castro.